Hello, my name is Milan Pak. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 002 AutoCAD selection of entities with pickbox. Switch to AutoCAD. Selection of entities with pickbox. When you choose an edit command, first of all, you have to select entities with a pickbox, or you have to use commands for selection entities. Pickbox size. You have to set size of pickbox. Menu tools and then option card selection pickbox size. From menu tools, choose command options and then select card selection. See part pickbox size. You can set size of pickbox. And finally, press button apply and then press button OK. From menu draw, choose command line and then left click in the drawing area to set first point of line, and then left click in the drawing area to set second point of line, and then left click and then left click. Finally press enter. From menu modify, choose command erase and then select line with pickbox and then press enter. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next lesson.